Hi my good people, welcome back to Geeks. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload reels on Facebook page from PC. So guys, let's get started. Now to upload reels on your Facebook fan page is super easy, and you can't upload a reel from your normal Facebook web. So even if you go to your Facebook page, then on add post you won't be able to see reels options, right? So what you need to do if you want to upload a Facebook page, to open a business Facebook creator studio, and you can find the link is in description below. So if you have signed into your Facebook account, of course you'll be taken directly to a page similar to this, and if you have not signed into your account, you'll be asked to do so by providing the right credential of the account you want to use. Now once you are here and maybe you are managing more than one Facebook page, they'll be shown up here. As you can see, currently I manage 8 Facebook pages. So I just click on this drop down icon, then from this list select the specific page I want to upload a reel. So I'll just pick my page right here. Then next, on the home page of that page you have selected, go to your left hand options, then click on create new. It's the green button up here. Then from this drop down options you need to click on create reels, and then next go ahead and pick the clip you want to post as reel from your PC. I'll pick this one right here. So once the clip is selected, this window will come up on your screen. So on your right, it's the preview of the clip you have selected from your PC. Then below reel details, you can add a caption that you think is appropriate for your clip. So you can go ahead and add it inside here, and it's also optional, so you can as well leave it blank. So after adding the caption, you need to click on the next button down here. Then here you can resize the video. I recorded this video with the required specification where the right aspect ratio of the video, it should be 9:16, right? So I just keep it original. Then you can also trim your video by clicking on the trim option up here. Then below your preview, you can drag this timeline from your left to right or vice versa, and that clip will be trimmed as you want. Once you're okay with it, just click on apply to save changes. Then once you're done, just click on next. Then under publish, you can choose publish options right here. You can click on publish now if you want to upload a URL immediately, or you can schedule it, or still you can save your reel as draft. So I'll just choose publish now. Then on allow remixing, it's optional. You can allow people to use your reel along with theirs by clicking on this button right here, or you can as well disable these options. So once you're done with all these settings, you need to click on publish button, and your reel will be uploaded on your Facebook page. So it's that simple. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.